Are you looking for the best laptops for Adobe Creative Cloud? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose laptops for Adobe Creative Cloud, with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right laptop for Adobe Creative Cloud. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 comprises some of the best and higher-end components that are perfectly suited for creative tasks. It's very hard to nitpick about this laptop as it ticks almost all of the boxes for a laptop ideal for the Adobe Creative Suite. This laptop matches all of our recommendations for laptops for the Adobe Creative Suite. Plus, it has good selection criteria scores too. It comes with one of the latest CPUs from AMD. The processor offers strong overclock capability, as well as base cache functionality. It has a very smooth UI due to it having a high amount of SSD storage and RAM. The NVMe SSD in particular is phenomenal as it provides up to 5 times the speed boost compared to the traditional SATA SSDs. Number 2. Asus VivoBook. The Asus VivoBook S17 is a great laptop for running the Adobe Creative Suite. It has a selection of great components, and it performs very well while running the Creative Suite. It also has one of the best and robust displays among all of the laptops that we'll be discussing. This laptop has good selection criteria scores, and it's also one of the few APU-RAN laptops that are going to appear in this article. The VivoBook S17 is slightly different from our traditional laptops, as it's powered by an APU, rather than a CPU and GPU combo. The APU has integrated GPU-like Intel processors, but they're also much more powerful. The RX Vega 7 in particular is as powerful as the NVIDIA 1050 Ti. Another thing I love about this processor is the screen size. The 17-inch screen is very big, and also feels good to look at while editing or video processing. You might notice that the SSD is slightly lower than our recommended range, but we've still ranked it quite high, because it comes with an added 1TB HDD for storing data. You can use the SSD for running applications, while you can use the HDD for storing data. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is a nifty yet powerful laptop that performs splendidly with all of the applications from the Adobe Creative Suite. Despite being a budget laptop, it offers full HD visuals, and has a good overall score on the selection criteria sheet. A lot of budget-oriented laptops tend to focus less on the future aspects of a laptop when manufacturing them, but the Lenovo IdeaPad is different. It has a future-proof build with some of the latest component CPU and GPU. For example, the processor is one of the latest in the Ryzen 5 series called the Ryzen 5000H. It offers enough power to process power-hungry applications such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop. Aside from that, the display is also marvelous to look at because of its high brightness and better aspect ratio. You can also choose to go for a higher amount of RAM and storage, but the cost will add up too. Number 4. MSI GS66. Most media firms or organizations need to perform their tasks as perfectly as possible. Their laptop of choice should be workstation grade. Workstation grade laptops refer to laptops that are composed of highest quality components. The MSI GS66 comprises some of the highest grade components we've seen in a laptop. The availability of these components ensures that there will be minimal problems or difficulties while accessing a variety of applications from the Creative Suite. This laptop offers flexibility while picking out how much storage or RAM you'll need, but expect the prices to vary a bit. The standout feature of this laptop is that it performs any kind of task in a matter of moments. This is due to the max clock speed the processor can reach up to 5 GHz. The addition of an RTX 3060 GPU needs to be appreciated too. Despite the GPU shortage, this laptop comes with one of the best GPUs from last year. Number 5. Acer Nitro 5. Mid-range laptops tend to provide users with a decent performance. With respectable scores in all of the selection criteria, this laptop would be ideal for people that are looking to get the most for the money they spend. As we've mentioned, the Acer Nitro 5 has some good scores in the selection criteria. While some components are better than others, all of them sync perfectly well running various applications from the Adobe Creative Suite. The most notable aspect of this laptop is the processor. The Ryzen 5 5600H is one of the latest and top-of-the-class processors from AMD. This processor is known amongst the tech community as one of the processors that can handle the intense workload with ease. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.